Hey guys, been a while. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a little something on one of these, how to get one of these little Briggs and Stratton CR950 series overhead valve engines. Now, about 3 weeks ago, I guess, maybe a little bit longer than that now, I got a notification from James Condon, the generator guy on YouTube. You know, I'm subscribed to his channel. I like his stuff. And he sent out a notification that the Home Depot, uh, was having a sale on their garden tillers. Well, you know, that's not really surprising this time of year because gardening is over with. But, you know, I went and looked. At first, I thought, well, these tillers were listed for $149.99. And I thought, man, that's got to be a scam. Maybe it's a link or something that fake link. So I went, rather than go through the link, I went to Home Depot's website and searched garden tiller. And sure enough, this is what I came up with. Uh, they had several deals on. Now, this is made today here. They had several deals on garden tillers back then. They had the Champion tiller was on sale for $149.95 or $149.99, whatever it was. I bought one of those. And this one here, Yard Force. It says exclusive here today, $149. And it's got 21-inch tiller, 208cc engine. So I thought, well, okay, let me check this out. And sure enough, I got to looking on it. And not only does it have a 208cc engine, it's actually a 208cc Briggs and Stratton engine. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. Now, I don't know if this is one of the Briggs and Strattons that's made in China or what, but I do know that it does have a 2-year warranty on the engine. And, you know, for 150 bucks, well, 160 some dollars, it was free shipping. But, you know, you pay 150, then they add tax on it, sales tax. But now the picture says 212. So I kind of wondered about that. I said, well, you know, I don't know if this thing's going to have a Briggs and Stratton engine or not. It may have like a 212cc. So I ordered one, and it came in, and sure enough, it has the CR950 Briggs and Stratton engine on it. 208 cc's, 9.5 foot-pounds of torque, and it's Yard Force is the brand. So, you know, I was tickled to death. I mean, I still tickled to death. You know, I don't really need this tiller, but for $150, you know, plus some change, yeah, I'll take a Briggs and Stratton engine for that any day. But like I said, you know, it does look awful familiar to these Chinese engines, like the Honda clones and stuff. But I have run it. I'm not going to start it today, but I have run it, and it is a smooth running engine. So whatever, if it is a Chinese engine, it's got a great balance. But I also purchased, and you guys will just have to keep checking back on their website every day, because I've checked one day, the tiller was on sale. Some of the tillers were on sale. The next day, there would be regular price. And there's like 3 different models that I've seen. Now, I have bought this Yard Force tiller, and actually I'm going to order another one today. But they had another one for $149, and it was the Champion front tine tiller, $149, and it's got the 212cc Champion engine on it. Now, those are great. You know, they got those cast iron rockers, and, you know, that's like a $25 part. People pay extra for those to put them on these Predator engines and stuff. So, you know, you get your money's worth out of it. But there's another one. There's a Champion rear tine tiller. I bought one of those, and it hasn't arrived yet, though. I think that one shipped straight from China. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you're interested in a garden tiller or just the engine, which is mainly what I was interested in, $149.99 for the front tine tillers. And this one, the Yard Force, has a Briggs and Stratton engine, 2-year warranty. You can't beat that. I can't beat that. I couldn't believe that. But I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Keep checking back on their website at Home Depot. Check it every day. Some days you'll say, well, they'll be sold out. The next day you go back and check, they'll have like 600 in stock at that price. So just hang in there and keep after them, and you'll get one. I did. So that's all I got for today, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. And thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.
I subscribe to Kentucky Fried Fix's YouTube channel. Now my engine revs higher than a Chinese spy balloon. Thanks, y'all.